What's up guys, welcome to the brand new series called Tasty Licks. Today we got an insane arpeggio lick. We also got a guest lick by my good friend Connor McCray. Let's get right into it.
Maybe you want to learn crazy fast licks, expand your pentatonic playing, learn how to write awesome riffs, or even get into blues lead guitar. All the courses come with free tabs and backing tracks available for download. My name is Lassalle and all the courses are available on YouTube. I'll see you there.